They did this deck that we're on right now, and they did work on our front porch also. Most recent, they came out and vinyl sided our house. We had Tyler Levesque as an estimator. Mariano was back in the office. Paulo Mendez was the project manager out here.
In the good weather, we spend a great deal of time out here. When our granddaughters come over, they love being out here too, and so it's very, very pleasant. It's a great time of year, and we get to enjoy it with this deck. Having the house sided saves us work. I mean, we're both older. Painting and maintenance is getting more challenging and difficult. It puts the end of me having to be up on ladders. The labor it saves is tremendous. Very organized and detail-oriented in that if you watch them work, there's no wasted motion. They know what their assignments are. The work goes very smoothly and it goes very quickly.
When they left at the end of the day, it was like they never even were here.
It was amazing. They made sure they cleaned up every single time.
I had ordered numbers for the house for 692, and as you see, we mounted it out there on a pole on the front porch. They just did it. You know, I just showed it to them. I was like, you know, should I drill this, or is this material going to crack if we try to put it in? Another thing that they just were so helpful about that somebody else might have just like said, you know what, yeah, do your own number, that's okay. They were right there for you for everything, right there. They're committed people.